You think you don't have time to meditate? Let me tell you something. You do. I'm going to show you how to meditate in 5 minutes or less. My name is Matthew. I'm the head coach at Mind Your Movement, and I'm here today at Upright Health to talk to you about meditation. If you want to learn more about meditation, make sure to check out the description box below. Meditation does not have to be super long. It also doesn't have to be super complex. There are simple, time-efficient ways that you can implement a meditative practice into your life. What's more, you don't even have to sit down and be still for some of these meditative practices. You can actually integrate them while you're moving through your life, and they will still show benefits in your life. My go-to meditative technique for busy, time-crunched individuals is something called box breathing. It is super simple, super easy to do, and what's more, you don't have to sit down for it. Box breathing. It's a 5-count inhale, a 5-count hold, a 5-count exhale, and a 5-count hold of that empty lung space. That's it. You can do it while you're driving, you can do it while you're walking, you can do it while you're sitting, any of these places, or laying down. You can do it anywhere. Box breathing is something that you can do in your car. Now, caveat here, if you're doing this in your car, do not close your eyes. You have to keep your eyes open. 5 seconds, breathe in, 5-second hold, 5 seconds breathe out, 5 seconds hold. So breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one cycle. You can do one cycle, you can do 2 cycles, you can do as many cycles as you feel called to do. It's simple and it works. When you finish your commute, you get to where you're going, you can keep practicing box breathing. As you walk away from the car, inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now repeat that as many times as you can on your way from your car to your office, or from your office to your car, or from your car to your house, or wherever else you want to do it. It's easy, it's effective, do it. So now that you have the basics of box breathing, start applying them in your life. If you want to know more about meditation techniques, check out the description box below. If you liked this video and you felt you got value from it, hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button. And remember, pain sucks, life shouldn't.